Although you have most likely heard about the amazing health benefits of pumpkin seeds, pumpkin itself is a great food choice for those looking to improve their overall health and well-being. It is an amazing source of nutrients, can reduce the risk of certain diseases, and can promote many bodily functions. To make your own pumpkin juice, wash the pumpkin and cut it into chunks. Simply put the chunks into a juicer to obtain the health-benefiting juice. You can add 1 to 2 teaspoons of natural honey and cinnamon for taste and added benefits. Now, let's discuss the incredible health benefits of consuming a glass of pumpkin juice regularly. First, pumpkin juice is very nutritious and nutrient-dense. It contains many different types of vitamins, minerals, and other important nutrients for our body. Pumpkin juice is a great source of vitamin A, as well as vitamin C, potassium, copper, riboflavin, and vitamin E, to name a few. It is also a good source of dietary fiber, antioxidants, and is low in calories. Pumpkin juice is also an incredible source of unique and potent antioxidants, many of which are not found in many other food choices. These antioxidants are especially important for our body since they can reduce free radicals and oxidative stress, which allows pumpkin juice to reduce risk factors associated with certain chronic diseases. Pumpkin juice is a great source of antioxidant sources such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Perhaps more importantly, pumpkin juice contains unique antioxidants such as alpha-carotene and beta-cryptoxanthin. Pumpkin juice is often consumed for its heart health-related benefits and can help to promote the overall health of our heart and reduce risk factors associated with heart disease. This is because pumpkin juice is packed with heart-healthy nutrients. It is a great source of fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and unique and potent antioxidants. Studies have found that the good levels of potassium in pumpkin juice can help to lower and regulate blood pressure levels. As well, pumpkin juice can be an effective way to reduce the risk of bad LDL cholesterol from oxidizing, while also promoting the health of our blood vessels. Due to pumpkin juice being very high in vitamin A, it should come as no surprise that consuming this drink can help to protect the eyes and promote their health. Not only is it high in vitamin A, but it is a great source of eye-healthy nutrients such as lutein and zeaxanthin. These eye-healthy compounds can help to reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. The high levels of vitamin E and vitamin C are also helpful in this regard. Pumpkin juice is also great for naturally promoting the overall health and look of our skin. Its many different nutrients are great for the skin's appearance. This is often attributed to the high levels of carotenoids found in pumpkin juice, such as beta-carotene. Studies have found that the carotenoids can help to protect the skin and improve its overall look and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. The high levels of vitamin C is also skin healthy, since it helps with the production of collagen, which is essential for keeping the skin healthy and strong. Lastly, regular consumption of pumpkin juice can help to promote and improve the proper functioning of the digestive system. This is because of its great fiber content and mild natural laxative effects. This helps to add bulk while also reducing unwanted digestive ailments such as constipation, cramps, and bloating. The tremendous amounts of antioxidants and high levels of nutrition can also help to reduce inflammation throughout the digestive system. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.